Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix single click to open an item is grayed out in folder options of Windows 11. As you can see on the My screen, when I open folder options, I am unable to click here. Single click to open an item, point to select. To fix this issue, you can go through local group policy editor in case in your Windows PC local group policy editor is not available. I will provide the link in this video description. You can follow that to enable local group policy or gpedit.msc on your Windows 11 PC. After enabling local group policy editor on your Windows PC, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and then type here gpedit.msc and then click on this one OK button. This will open local group policy editor on your Windows 11 PC. Now under user configuration, expand administrative templates, then expand Windows components, then expand File Explorer. On the right side bar of File Explorer, you will find a policy name. Turn on Classic Shell. Double click on this one policy and to enable grayed out options, select this one not configured option or this one disabled option. After that, click on this one apply button, then click on this one OK button. Now close the local group policy editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. I hope this will fix the issue. In case it does not fix issue, I have also created a video to enable this one same option using registry editor. I will also provide the link in this video description. In case you have a still issue, you can go through registry editor method. That's all about this video. Bye.